Hey friends, welcome back to Crusty Cranks, where we paint baits and make lures. And I just wanted to come on and do a short little video for you, just to tell you thanks. Thank you to all my supporters. I just broke 1,000 subscribers. Actually, today I checked, I got another 75 subscribers, so that's awesome. I just wanted to tell you guys how much I appreciate your support, your comments, your questions, your emails, and just kind of the community we're building here. It's really, really cool. And I have to give a shout out to Goose Charlie over at Ugly Dog Lures. And when my channel was new, just starting out, and I watched his channel a lot, he said, hey, come on, let me help you pick up some subscribers. So I know a lot of you guys come over from there, and you follow me, and we kind of have a little community over there too, which is really cool. Everybody supports everybody. But a big shout out to Charlie and Mel for helping me out. And when I wanted to get out on the road and set up selling baits and stuff, they gave me a lot of tips and pointers, and I can always go to them to ask questions. And I hope you guys feel the same way with me. If you're new to painting baits and making lures and want to just get started in the bait business, you know, I appreciate the comments and the questions. So for my giveaways, I'm going to be doing giveaways, and I wanted to wait till I got 1,000 subscribers to do giveaways. And my giveaways are not going to be kind of like the normal ones where they say, hey, put a comment down in the comments of this video, and we'll pick somebody to give them a giveaway. And to me, I kind of want to take care of my supporters and everybody that subscribes to the channel and that supports me. I've got 2 guys that have supported me from the beginning, and one is Morgan. And Morgan is a early subscriber to my channel way back when I first started putting up my first few videos, and always give me lots of encouragement. So Morgan's going to get my first giveaway, and as soon as I talk to him about what he's going to receive, then we'll kind of announce it. I kind of want it to be a surprise for him, and I kind of want to tell him first. So Morgan, get in touch with me, Facebook Messenger or email, whatever works for you, and we'll talk about your giveaway, get your address where I can send that to. The other guy is Charlie Henderson. Charlie's followed me from the beginning, and Charlie's another avid supporter of my channel. And he always makes comments, and he's always sends me questions and things like that. And we've kind of built up a little friendship, just talking back and forth on Facebook Messenger and stuff. So Charlie's going to get the other giveaway for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So it's going to be Morgan and Charlie. You guys reach out to me, and we'll get your addresses and discuss, you know, what my giveaway is going to be to you. And then in my next painting video or whatever, one of my next videos, I'll let you guys know what I gave away to him. But I'm going to do some giveaways, and I think I'm going to do at certain milestones, I'm going to give away some stuff. That's all I'm going to say right now. But I'm sure you guys will enjoy it, and especially if you're a new bait painter, these things will help you out. And in certain milestones of my subscribers, I'm going to give away big giveaways. I mean big giveaways. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Share the channel with your friends who like to fish or want to get started into bait painting, bait making, or maybe just wanting to buy baits. Or if you want to start a bait business, you definitely want to be subscribed to this channel, because coming up, I got a lot of things coming up for 2023, and it's gonna kind of, a lot of my videos I do put in little tips and stuff about you know, how I do things for business, but and I'll make announcement about what's coming up for people that are in the bait business and want to get in the bait business. So that'll be coming soon. I've got some new products that I've started to create that I'm going to share with you, teach you how to make. A lot more soft plastics coming up, and definitely wooden baits. Got some new stuff to make wooden baits, and yeah, so basically my comments are what's going to be how I decide who gets the giveaways, and that's going to be by the interactivity in the comments with the channel. So if you're interested in possibly, you know, getting one of those giveaways at some point, the best thing you can do is comment and let me know what you think about the video, what you liked about it, maybe even what you didn't like about it. I know once in a while I get a dislike on my videos, and that's fine. But if you do put a dislike, just let me know what you didn't like about it. Maybe I can help make that better for you or whatever. So yeah, be active on the channel, make comments. That helps the channel. When you interact with the channel more, that helps the channel grow, because YouTube sees that we have a good channel going on and that people enjoy it. They'll share my video out there more and help me build up my subscriber base. As my subscriber base builds up on certain milestones, like I said, I'm going to give some pretty good giveaways away. And yeah, so be a part of the channel, get active in the comments. I enjoy doing the comments. I enjoy reading them. You know, usually every morning I'll check, see if there's comments, and try to respond to them right away. If people have questions, I usually try to respond to them. Emails, you can always email me. I get paints, pictures of people that paint my baits. That is really cool. I enjoy that. And so if you maybe you painted one of my baits from the video, or you learned a technique from my video, send me a pic of it. That's really cool. I really enjoy seeing those pics in my email. Also, if you're interested in doing lure trades, I love to do lure trades. Today I got a box of 3 beautiful lures from Nate's Baits. Nate's, B-A-T-E-S, Baits. And Nate sent me 3 beautiful lures. I was just so excited. You guys don't know how much it means to me to see your work and get the comments that you guys leave me about how you've picked up bait painting from watching my channel, or how you learned a technique from my channel. And it means a lot to me. It makes me want to continue on. And I'm having excuse the language, but I'm having a hell of a lot of fun doing it. And I want to try to put more videos out for you. It's just I do have a 40-hour a week, 50-hour a week job too. So I do this in my spare time. My bait business hasn't reached the point where I can quit my job and you know, do bait painting and making lures for the income. But I'm having a lot of fun doing it. I'm making some money, and I enjoy, you know, helping people out who want to get started in the business. Just sharing with you what I learned. And yeah, so I appreciate all you guys that support the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. YouTube tells me that 70% of my viewers are not even subscribers. So if you guys will subscribe and hit that subscribe button, man, my channel will grow quickly. So again, I really appreciate all the supporters, especially you guys that have been with me from the beginning and always comment on my videos, always leave a positive remark, you know. And yeah, I'm just having a lot of fun doing it, and I hope to bring you along with my journey. So hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell. I got some videos coming up, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you.